Here are some amazing tactics to increase your shop transparency. Hello guys, we are back with another exciting episode for auto repair shop owners. Our discussion today will be on 4 amazing ways by which we can give our customers transparent services and become their favorite in no time. We all want to become the #1 choice for our customers, aren't we? In this regard, we should keep on trying different ways which will help us in retaining customers. Well, I would say not only retain, even attract new customers towards your shop. But we often get stuck where to start. How can I make this possible for my shop? It's too easy. Actually, auto repair software has made it easier. This would be a right statement to say. Let's dive deep inside and know all the magic tricks and tactics that will make you give better and marvelous services to your customers. How many times have you felt you end up in muddled situations while selling your services to your customers? Too many times? Yeah, right. Because it's too hard to convince your customers while giving them estimates. Oftentimes they feel you are trying to upsell them, you just care about your own pockets. And when you are honest, such responses make you upset. But what if I tell you with auto repair software you can make your customers trust your estimates more easily? Yeah, right. While you create estimates for your customers, you mention vehicle information, parts, supplies prices, miscellaneous prices, labor hour and cost, and also add discounts. This helps customers understand your estimates more clearly. I will say to address your customers' concerns as your top priority when they bombard you with their what and whys. Don't get irritated. I know when customers keep on questioning and try to impose their knowledge on you, you feel like banging your head on the wall. They want to know where their money is going, it's just that. But learn to stay calm with such customers, they are just concerned about their repairs. They want to make sure they are trusting the right shop or not. Prove your skills here and show your empathy towards them, they need it. Another pro tip I would suggest you is to start huddling with your customers. This will help you understand their minds and expectations, and you will try to bring those changes to your shop. Be transparent and open to your customers. Ask them to tell you where you need improvements without taking it on your ego. Listen, you are doing everything for your own success, remember? They say, when everything seems like an uphill struggle, just think of the view from the top. Everything will become easier. I know how hard it is to run and retain your success in your auto repair shops. But it's not impossible. Just the slightest changes in your methods can be a true game changer for your shop. It will definitely save you from difficult situations, like chargebacks on declined services. When you get your approval over email, there is no chance for misunderstandings. And this is no joke. With the help of modern technology, I've seen so many friends take their garage businesses to new heights. A simple investment? Life changer? True. And on top of that, it's free? Woohoo! A free garage repair software that is going to make your operations streamlined and seamless. You can better schedule your appointments, inventory, payments, finances, workflow, technicians' productivity, and much more. Ever heard, good opportunity comes to you once in a lifetime? It is here for you, boy. Avail it. I can tell you by this investment your techs, service advisors will be loving you because it's going to save their time and energy. Your technicians can do digital inspections using OBD scanners integrated with software. This will diagnose problems, fetch error codes, and update to repair order. They don't have to stay dependent on their 5 senses to diagnose problems. Well, there is nothing wrong with traditional inspections, it's just we have entered the 21st century and it requires more efficient ways. Cars have become more complex than ever before. So this is the need of the hour. You have to bring in updated methods to be successful and thrive in your industry. Not only this, with digital inspections you can add photos that help customers understand their repairs. This is what we have been talking about earlier. And your service advisors can explain better to your customers their whats and whys. Now it's easier than ever.